Number 7 from the homework from the page 87 Finney textbook gave us a chart, gave us this graph here, and asked to find the slopes, the secant slopes from Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. And we've done it here, so I've just shown the slope ratios here and simplified them. So we got 43, 45, 48.6 and 50. So we're just kind of estimating them. So if your numbers are a little bit off, that's fine. And I'm going to plot these in a graph, and I'm going to use arbitrarily just the left edge of 10 of the secant line, and we're going to give that the velocity value. So here for x is 10, for t is 10, we'll say that the velocity was 43 meters per second. For 14, we'll say that that's 14 at Q2, 45 meters per second. At Q3, I said it was 16.5. Okay, so I'm using 16.5 as that time. But again, if you're not, if you're using something different, that's perfectly fine. And as long as it's pretty close. And then the last point I'm using as the t equals 18. And so I get 20 minus 18 as my run, and I end up with 50 meters per second. Okay, so using this table where it's asking us to estimate the value of the slope at 50. So at 20 seconds. So this tangent line here, we want to estimate the tangent line here, and it's just going to be slightly more than the secant line from Q4 to P. So I would maybe estimate the velocity at t equals 20, which is at P. We'd say maybe it's about 51 meters per second, because it looks like it's increasing all the way along here. So that would be an estimate. So again, we're just estimating this. We're just going to get our table, and we're just looking for a pattern as we go this way. As we get closer to t equals 20, we want to know what's the limit of that going to be as we approach that.